So I thought we had all four of these, but I can't find the fourth one. So I pulled this one off our column we need to do a major repair on. And for right now, I'm going to use it here so we can get this one together. But you can see these are all individual pieces. So I'd have to look around to see what we have laying around here. I haven't been able to locate them. I thought we had a stash of pieces that had fallen off. But worst case scenario, we're going to end up carving these. So it's going to be tricky. One of the things I wanted to point out was taking these old nails out. There's no sense of trying to pull them in most cases, so I usually just twist them a little bit and try to break them off right at the wood edge. So we pretty much have this cleared out, and we're going to pull these pieces off and see if we can get this main piece on first. If we get that tacked in, then everything else goes in from there. So hopefully this will fit around the post. We have to get these nails out of here yet, and then we'll see how well it fits. If not, we're going to have to take this apart and maybe do some chiseling and who knows what. But hopefully it'll fit.